Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the Star Key Can Wrench Kit from Jonard Tools, part number SSK-876. A compact all-in-one solution designed to give you access to multiple pedestal lock types without carrying a bunch of separate tools. Let's break down what makes this kit so useful in the field. Multi-pattern access. This kit includes star keys for LC, LG, LB, and LS lock patterns, meaning you can open a wide range of outdoor pedestals with a single tool. No more guessing or swapping tools, just flip the key and you're good to go. Built-in can wrench. The included SSK-876 can wrench features two 7/16" hex sockets, each 1.5 inches deep, allowing you to open standard enclosures that require a 7/16" socket. All-in-one kit design. With a can wrench plus two double-sided star keys, you're getting multiple functions in a single compact kit. That means fewer tools to carry and faster access when you're moving between jobs. Versatile and expandable. This kit is compatible with other Jonard SSK star keys and P key inserts, giving you the flexibility to expand your setup as needed. So as your job demands growth, your tool can grow with you. At the end of the day, the SSK-876 is all about efficiency, giving you the most commonly used pedestal access tools in one durable, easy to carry kit. If you want to streamline your toolkit and cut down on unnecessary gear, the SSK-876 is definitely worth checking out. And that's it for today's video. As always, be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.